Sasisian pot ngi pinasum bhai phi baro shakanika channel kajungi but ngi kerman ba baro phi shat phi khlainut kan mau ban subscribe ya kanika channel but turn on your notification bell ru kanang ba pinum do yaki videos ki wingi upload lada kumno phi kom ya like yaki video dan ni phim ju yo yaki notifications hapo ka YouTube pila ban follow ru ingi hapo ka Instagram account nama ha Instagram ngi ship pentep bai mala ka por lada ngi lada ban pelike ya ka video ka ba Thymmai Tementang in pay na igini post ki barang sila Thymmai po Shillong Meghalaya. Yang ini post la pelaj da Megha Health Insurance Scheme lanika MHIS Meghalaya mentau benai arajar apor. Ki kertang jung ini post ki de accounts assistant but district accountant. Kelas de lanika tarik bakhado pelaban samin ki applications kede hu tarik benai September arajar apor. Yang ini post accounts assistant ka balai kawai ka jaka jang posting ka deha office of the chief executive officer state nodal agency MHIS Shillong ka salary la ni ko tolop ka dai sanpo wajar hakshi banai ka educational qualification kolong komne klade ban pendap ya ka MCom haka accountancy dan ka MBA haka finance pidon kamru Laitkam minimum experience haka government scheme lane organization pide banang bhasha phangka accounting regulations but procedures but ru ka generally accepted accounting principles lane ka GAAP pidon kam experience ru haki accounting software kum haka tally PFMS but ki office software packages kum ka Microsoft Word Excel PowerPoint but ki way pide banang keren bha pa bantho but pide ru ban penyedai but ban trailang but ki teams but pide ru ban common ban lej HA nakabenta ka kam ya ka post district accountant ka balai khatwai tali ka jaka jang ka posting kari ha khasi lani jantia region padha garo region ka salary lani ka tulap ka 100,000 hakshi banai educational qualification kalongkom ne rade ban pendap ya ka BCom lani graduation ha ka finance lani accounting dan kamru Laitkam experience minimum kum accountant haka government sponsored scheme lani organization kin kam ai preference kita ki baladap ya ka MCom lani MBA haka finance ide banang bhasha phangka accounting regulations but procedures but ru ka generally accepted accounting principles lani ka GAAP pidon kam experience ru haki accounting software kum haka tally PFMS but ki office software packages kum ka Microsoft Word Excel PowerPoint but ki way pide banang keren bha pa bantho but pide ru ban penyedai but ban trailang but ki teams but pide ru ban common ban lej HA nakabenta ka kam ki candidates ki balang eligible bagi buku aban apply kini ki post pihaban submit ki application haka standard form ya kene ka standard form application ngala ha po description jaga ni ka video di filaban download but print but hadin sa pendam pihaban submit kini ki applications syaka office of state nodal agency Megha Health Insurance Scheme but pihak ban submit lang ke passport size dor ka jang phi but ki self attested copies jang kini ki documents ka application form ka ba fill pendam ka update resume ka jang phi ki educational qualification certificates proof of experience certificates ki salary slips lani ki proof of salary jang ka kam ka ba phidan lani ki kam ke ba phila ju trai menchua ka additional lani technical qualification certificates la phidan ka identity proof kum ka pan card lani ka Aadhaar card bat ka copy jang ki work portfolios ki ba phila don ka official notification lani ka official advertisement ka bala apply hi dagani ka MHIS ngala ai po description jang ni ka video dis ngobha download bat puli shaya ka shaba pin apply kini ki post kanang ba pin tip shusho shpang ki pat ki details